Hello guys, my name is Victor Francis and I'm a software developer and a system analyst. Today I'll be talking to you guys about OS, which is simply operating system. And if you are watching from your mobile phone, it simply means you are using either an Android phone or when I say Android, I mean either a Samsung phone, which is powered by Android operating system, by OS, or you're watching from your Apple device, which is also uh, iOS, which is Apple OS. And if you're watching with your laptop, you're either watching from Windows operating system, which is Windows OS, or you're watching from your Ubuntu, or you're watching from your Kali, which is a Linux distro, or you're watching from your Apple PC, which is called your Macintosh. Okay, so these are the most popular operating systems that we all use today in our day-to-day activities. So for some of you, you probably bought your PC with a pre-installed OS, which is mostly Windows. Okay, or you buy an Apple PC, which is mostly installed Apple, which is mostly installed Macintosh operating system. Okay, so if you check your about, you notice you have let me check my about. So you see, so if you check my about, you'll see I have Ventura Apple PC. Okay, and I'm using Ventura 13, which is an Apple PC. So you can either be using Windows or Mac or Linux distro, or which can be Ubuntu, Kali, Fedora, and the rest. There are more operating systems under Linux distro, but the most popular operating system that we all use today for business are Mac, which is Macintosh, or Macintosh, which is owned by Apple, or Microsoft, which is really owned by Bitgate, and any of the Linux distro, which is an open source. Open source meaning that it's an organization that come together to build this operating system, and you as a developer can be part of the development. So it's called open source, right? So under this Linux distro, we have more than 10 operating system under this Linux distro, but they are all categorized as Linux. So we have Linux operating system, Mac operating system, and Windows operating system. That is on a PC, that's on a laptop or your computer or your PC. So these are the three operating systems that you can work with as in your day-to-day activities. But if you're using a mobile device, like I said earlier, you can either be using an Android device or you're using an iOS device, which is probably Apple, or if you're using a Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, Itel, Xiaomi, and you name them, they are all Android operating system. So basically on a mobile device, we just have two OS that is most popularly known. That is the Apple and the Android. And for those of you that are not the Gen Z, who you must have heard of Symbian, which is also an OS then, Symbian operating system on Nokia E series, N series, those are Symbian operating system. And we also have those are called Java. If you remember your Nokia 3110, and if you remember your Nokia Asha, your Nokia 201, Nokia 203, and the rest, you can Google it. You notice that they also run on Java. So, but those operating systems are no longer in use today. But if you still have the device, you can still use it. It's working fine, but it's no longer developed. So the development for those operating system has stopped. So currently the focus is on Android and iOS, which is Apple, which is managed by Apple. iOS is managed by Apple, and Android is managed by Google. So this comes to the conclusion of this video, and if in case you have any questions, you can leave the comments below in this or you can leave the comment below, or you can subscribe to my YouTube channel or link up to me on my Facebook account or my Telegram and my Instagram. Or you can also contact me on KingsChat if you heard of KingsChat. KingsChat is another chatting system that we use. Oh, so you can also get the links under my bio. So thank you, and see you on my other Becky videos, and thank you for watching.